Is failure to get informed consent related to Stevens-Johnson syndrome a basis for a lawsuit? Your doctor never mentioned SJS as a possible risk. Here is why that silence might matter. Legally, informed consent is a foundational principle of medical ethics and medical law. Before a physician prescribes a medication that carries significant risk, the patient has a legal and ethical right to receive enough information to make a genuinely informed decision about whether to take that medication. For medications with a known association with Stevens-Johnson syndrome, particularly those where the risk is documented in the labeling, where genetic risk factors exist that could have been screened for, or where safer alternatives may have been available, the informed consent question becomes directly relevant to SJS litigation. An informed consent claim in an SJS case asks, was the patient told, in terms they could understand, that this medication carries a risk of a serious, potentially life-threatening skin reaction? Was the patient told about the symptoms to watch for and what to do if they appeared? Was the patient told, where relevant, that a genetic test existed that could identify elevated personal risk? Research published in medical ethics literature has consistently found that patients value autonomy in medical decision-making, the ability to weigh the benefits of a medication against its risks for themselves. When a medication's risk includes something as severe as SJS, many patients, if properly informed, might ask questions, request monitoring, explore alternatives, or in some cases decline. They were denied that choice when the risk was not communicated. Informed consent claims in SJS cases are often pursued alongside failure to warn and product liability claims. Together, they paint a complete picture of the multiple points at which a patient's safety could have been protected and was not. Our team has pursued informed consent and failure to warn claims in SJS cases for decades. If your physician did not discuss SJS risk with you before prescribing the drug that triggered your reaction, please call us. This is a meaningful part of your potential case. We offer 100% free consultations by calling 855-566-3752, or you can visit us online at www.sjslawyer.com.